Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of greenhouses and exploring different types that you can use to nurture your plants. I'm your host Thuran Du, and in this video, we'll be discussing 6 unique greenhouse designs: gable, flat arch, raised dome, sawtooth, skillen, and tunnel. So, let's get started. Our first greenhouse type is the gable greenhouse. This design features a traditional pitched roof, creating a triangular shape. The high center point allows for maximum sunlight exposure and efficient rainwater drainage. Gable greenhouses are popular due to their simplicity and versatility. Next up, we have the flat arch greenhouse. As the name suggests, this style showcases a curved roof with a slight arch. The design not only enhances aesthetics but also provides excellent structural strength. This type of greenhouse often finds favor with gardeners who appreciate a modern and sleek look. Moving on, we have the raised dome greenhouse. This design combines a rounded roof with high sidewalls, creating a spacious interior and ample headroom. The raised dome shape maximizes air circulation and creates a favorable environment for taller plants and climbing vines. Now let's explore the sawtooth greenhouse, a unique and visually striking design. It features a series of sawtooth-shaped roofs, resembling a row of teeth. This design allows for optimal ventilation and temperature control by utilizing the natural airflow between the roof peaks and valleys. Our next greenhouse type is the skillen greenhouse. Skillen roofs have a single slope, often slanting towards the sunniest direction. This design is popular for its simplicity and affordability, making it a great choice for beginners or gardeners on a budget. Last but not least, we have the tunnel greenhouse. This design consists of a series of hoops or arches connected by a long, arched roof. The tunnel-like structure creates a large growing area and excellent space utilization. Tunnel greenhouses are commonly used in commercial farming and are known for their high efficiency. And there you have it, folks. We've explored 6 different types of greenhouses, each with its own unique features and benefits. Whether you prefer the classic gable greenhouse or the modern flair of the sawtooth design, there's a greenhouse style out there to suit your gardening needs and personal taste. Which greenhouse type caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting gardening content. Until next time, happy gardening! Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, remember to stay green and keep growing. See you in the next video.